Hey Dekoni fans! Today we're going to show you how to change the pads on the K371 and the K361. The first step is to remove the pads. To do this, you must unhook the lip of the pad from the ear cup. The next step is to open your Dekoni ear pads and get your new pads out of the box. Both sides are symmetrical, so it does not matter which side you put them on. There is a seam on the ear pad which you can look at and put at the bottom of the ear cup. Take the ear pad and put a little bit of the lip around the ear cup. Then stick your fingers inside the pad and try to pull the rest of the lip around the rest of the ear cup. If you tug on the pad, you can see if the pad is attached correctly if it doesn't come off. After you've done this, repeat this once more for the other side. And there you have it. That's how you install the pads for the AKG, K371, and K361.